Hey everybody, good morning. This is Brian May with Chapel Hill Mortuary Memorial Gardens. I'm here at our Cedar Hill location again. It's a beautiful, little overcast Saturday morning, but we're talking about memorial care and restoration. We're going to be here today with Eric Turner with Matthews Bronze, right? Eric, good to see you again.
Good morning.
And it's about caring for and restoring your memorials. We get lots of questions from families at our funeral homes and our cemeteries about this, and for folks who have memorials at other cemeteries as well. So Eric, tell me what we're going to talk about today. We're here from 9 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon here at our Cedar Hill location. But Eric, what will we be talking about today?
Well, first we'll talk about the do's and don'ts to cleaning your memorials. We're going to show you different stages of bronze in the patina process. Each of them you treat just a little bit differently. We have instructions that you can get, printed instructions from Chapel Hill, but we're going to show you how you use household goods that you can find at any Walgreens, Walmart, Home Depot, and in 15 minutes you can take your memorial from an old, tired to a clean, restored, beautiful bronze again that is going to take years of that patina off and make you very satisfied. A great tribute for your loved ones.
That sounds great. I can tell you we've done it at our other 2 locations over the last couple of days. I've been blown away. It's really exciting. And I also think one of the coolest things about it is this is stuff, honestly, with just standard household products that make a tremendous difference. So people who like to come and visit their loved ones' memorials can do this on their own every time they come to the park. So it's not anything that's overly complicated. So if folks have a chance to come by today, we'd love to see them from 9 in the morning today, Saturday, May 25th. We'll be here from 9 to 2 at our Cedar Hill location. And if you can't tell, we're rehearsing. So we have a Memorial Day event going on. There's a lot of stuff going on. So we'd love to see you all. Come on by and see us. You can also pick up a bottle of water, some snacks, and a flag for your veterans' grave. So come on out and see us today.